Hey guys! Check out our new fairy dessert dress-up game. OMG, this magnetic dress-up game lets kids dress dolls freely. No cut, no glue. Stick and stick without damage. Thick soft magnets, strong hold. Mix and match anyway. This flower fairy set, plus a dessert-themed set, direct from the source factory. Eco-friendly printing. Passed all safety tests, no smell. Safe for parents to trust. Every doll is so cute. So many outfits and hair accessories. Create tons of looks. Kids put down phones and TV. Builds motor skills. And develops taste. More play, more focus. Still looking for group buys? Get these now.